So yeah, see that. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all what I got from Ego. So I ordered some things from Ego Official I was gonna say a few days ago, but it was like last Monday. Today is Wednesday, and I just got my package. So I'm gonna show y'all what I ordered, and I only got 3 pairs of shoes this time. I have ordered from Ego before and I got 2 pairs. This time I ordered 3, and they did have a little sale going on for Cyber Monday. Actually, it wasn't a small sale, it was a huge sale. They had, I want to say it was 50% off, plus it was, where's my phone? It was 50% off, plus it was like an additional 20% off. Hold on, let me get my phone, y'all. 1 second. Whew. Yeah, girl, it's tight. Okay.
2 hours later.
Okay, y'all, so I wasn't able to find my order. It's gotta be in this package. I haven't opened the package yet, but for some reason I didn't log into my Ego account when I bought these shoes this time. I checked it as a guest, I think, because I was trying to hurry up because it was Cyber Monday and I didn't want the shoe to sell out or like the sale to go off. I don't know, but I checked out as a guest, so I don't have how much everything was per item, but it'll probably, yeah, I think they give you the breakdown inside the bag. So anyways, I'm gonna link everything down below regardless, but I just wanted to kind of go over that with y'all while I was going through the package. But anyway, so here's the package. I'm so excited. I've been watching this package like all week, trying to see, and it got delayed because it was supposed to get here yesterday. Well, originally it was supposed to get here last week because I ordered overnight or 2-3 day shipping, the $17.99 shipping. Like an idiot. Who pays $17.99 for shipping?
Yo, are you dumb?
Anywho, I ordered that, and then it ended up not even, like, I had no tracking number after like 5 days. So I emailed them. I'm like, I don't even have a tracking number. Like, so they said they're gonna partially refund me like $8 of the shipping since I did order overnight or the quickest shipping they had, and then I didn't get it in that time frame. So they're supposed to partially refund. I still got it in a pretty good time, a week and a half. I guess it's good. Where does it come from? The UK? So I don't know. And I noticed every time I get a package, these shoes are always kind of like bent up. It just be going through something on the way here. I mean, it did have a lot of traveling and a lot of states to go through, so I don't know. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I do have, well, it doesn't tell me how much everything was. As you can see, it shows everything I ordered. I don't think my address is on there, but yeah. So I paid $60. That was including the shipping for 3 pairs of shoes. So really, it's like I paid $20 a shoe, but I told you guys I bought like the $20 shipping. So really, I only paid like $40 for all of this, which means each shoe was like $15 a piece, something like that. It was really, really cheap. I'm gonna find how much I paid for it and I'm gonna show y'all. But so here's the first pair. So this is the first pair that I got, and I got it in a size UK 6, US 8. I'm so excited right now. I really hope all these shoes fit. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't have any red shoes. So I got these. Oh my god. These are so pretty. Oh wow.
What's happening?
Oh, okay, y'all. I can't wait to try these on. Let me just go ahead and try them on. Let me see. Okay. Looking like something cute.
Wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
Okay, y'all, so first impression, I love the shoe. I will say they are kind of like, I don't know if it's because of like the fuzzy like rug material, why like my feet kind of like are sliding in them. I think it's the material of the inside. Like my feet are kind of like doing this. Oh, seriously, like they kind of slide a little bit, but yeah, yeah, I'm definitely gonna be wearing these because they're so pretty and I love them. They're so cute, and then they're furry, so I don't know, for some reason I'm just thinking like it's perfect for like the holidays. Even though it's an open toe shoe, it's got the fur, and then it also, the heel isn't too high, the fur is nice. I feel like the fur will keep you warm even though the toe is open. Yeah, it's just the sliding, it just slides a little bit, but it is a square toe, and I actually really love these. Like I said, I don't have any red shoes, so I cannot wait to put these in my closet so I can at least have, I don't think I own anything in red. That's why I don't have any red shoes. I don't have any like red tops, any pants. Like, this is gonna inspire me to buy red clothes now. I like these a lot. I was expecting the heel to be a little bit more kitten. As you can see, the heel is not, like, I don't know, I was expecting it to be like maybe like this. It is more, it's longer than I thought, which isn't a problem because they're still short. I mean, they're still a good length. I just thought they were gonna be kitten like this. So that's that pair. Oh my god. Next pair, I don't know what this is yet. Y'all, I haven't tried any of this stuff on. Like, I'm opening this and trying it on with y'all. So, ooh, I already know what these are because it says silver. And I have been wanting these. I haven't worn these for a minute, okay? Y'all. Oh my god. These are so, y'all, oh my god. Alright, y'all, this is a shoe. It's like a disco. Is it shedding? Yeah, it sheds a little bit, y'all. Hopefully it doesn't shed too much. If all fails, I want these to be a heel that I can wear for a while. So if they do start shedding too much, I'll probably just go buy some fur from Michael's or Joann somewhere and probably just put it back on like throughout the years if they do start shedding some more. But this is a shoe. It is so pretty. It has so many of these in different colors. They have brown. I almost got a brown pair, black, every color you can imagine, literally. Every like print. They had these in a lot of colors, so I was kind of indecisive. Like, I know I didn't want to get like every color, but I did just get this just pair just to see what it fits like. If I love it, I'm probably gonna buy more because, yeah. Sorry, y'all, I'm just trying to get this paper. All right, let me try it on. Get. I never know how to tie this. Like, I feel like you can tie it in the front of the back clearly. Girl. Do y'all see that? Oh my god. These are so.
That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. On some faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage?
Okay, y'all. These are actually really comfortable. But like, where am I going in these? Oh my god, I don't go anywhere. I gotta start going out. These heels, they're so comfortable. Like, it has the platform and then it has the bulkiness at the bottom, so it's very comfortable to walk in. They are a tad bit tall, but literally they're so comfortable. You guys gotta get a pair of these. What material is this like? Y'all, I love these so much in the color. I'm so glad I went with the silver. I don't know why I don't have any like all silver shoes. I have a pair of clear heels that have silver on this part, but I don't have any all silver heels. So when I seen that, I was like, okay, I gotta just go with the silver because the other heels, they're cute. I just really didn't need the colors. Like, I knew I needed a pair of silver heels, and I'm like, if I need silver heels, I might as well just get a brand new shoe and a silver heel, you know what I'm saying? So y'all, I'm obsessed. Like, I might just wear these while I sleep, while I shower. Like, y'all, I can't wait to wear these. They're so cute and they actually are very comfortable. I really am obsessed. Like, oh, girl, I love you. I'm so obsessed with her. Like, oh my god, I can't wait to wear these. I want to go. You know what, it's crazy because sometimes shoes inspire you to go out. Like shoes, clothes, when you get new things, you're like, okay, now I'm inspired to go out. And I need that because I'm 24. I'm 24. I'm such a homebody for my age. Like, and I've always been that way. I'm about to start going out though. Because these heels, somebody gotta see them. Somebody gotta see them. See what I mean? The boxes are always squished up, but it's okay as long as my shoe itself isn't squished up. Let me know down below if you order from Ego Official, and let me know if your boxes are always squished up or if they just know it's mine. If they just do that. Okay, y'all, I've been wanting these heels, I'm not gonna lie, for a very long time, like probably a year. Like, I don't know, I just been wanting these heels for a long time, and I finally got them. So I don't know how to act right now because, y'all, when I say these heels are so beautiful, and the reason why I never got them in the past was because I thought they'd probably be uncomfortable because they're skinny and tall heel. So I just felt like I would never really wear it. But since it was on sale this time, I thought I would just go ahead and get it because, you know, most of my heels, well, all of my heels just kind of sit in the closet because I don't, like I said, I don't go anywhere. And so I was just kind of hesitant because I was like, I don't want to waste my money. But you know, shoes sometimes can be like collectibles. Like, these shoes are absolutely beautiful. And if they make you happy, girl, and you don't ever wear them, just buy them anyways because... just buy them anyways because they're gonna sit in your closet, but you can look at them. When you look at them, they're gonna make you extremely happy. Like, it's gonna make your soul smile. Okay, these heels are supposed to be like, I guess, dupes, not necessarily dupes, or like, I don't know, they're supposed to resemble the Versace heels like this. I don't know what they're called. They look almost just like this, except I think the heel is like, this is like almost like a lime green yellow heel. I think the Versace heel is more of like a blue and mainly just blue. I don't know. I think the heel is a different color though. Everything else is pretty similar. It's a square toe heel that has the leaves and they're just green and blue. Y'all, these are so cute. I absolutely cannot wait to wear them. Like, let me try them on because you know what we gotta do. I'm gonna try these on for y'all. I, for some reason, felt like they would be, oh, they kind of match my, hey. So I'm gonna just wear these and walk around with my flowers, period. And what's crazy about these heels is I actually watch a lot of YouTube videos. I can't tell you how many times I typed in these heels on YouTube to just watch. I've probably watched every single person's video on these heels to see how they fit, and I just feel like nobody was being very like transparent. Like, I just need to know, are they comfortable or not? Like, tell me. That's why I kept stalling, because to be honest, they look very uncomfortable. I think one person said that they weren't comfortable. Everybody else was just saying like how cute they are. I'm like, are they comfortable though? Because they can be cute all day, but if I can't wear them out, what's the point of me, you know? So I got the heel on. Right now, you know, y'all can't, you know, you don't know if they're comfortable or not until you stand up. So I'm gonna show y'all what they look like on foot first. It kind of is cutting down here at the toe, but yeah, they look cute. Let's see. Okay, so just as I expected, I'm not gonna say they're uncomfortable, but I will say that the shoe itself, as far as the heel, is not very uncomfortable to walk in, but the front, and I don't even have like a wide foot, I have a pretty narrow foot, but the front is very, the two straps in the front kind of cut into your foot a little bit. So I don't know how to be after me like walking in this for so long. I will probably get tired of it and have to take these off. So kind of keep that in mind if you buy these. They are a beautiful shoe. I feel like you should definitely buy them because they're so cute. And if you're just going somewhere where you're not going to be really doing too much walking, it's like maybe like a fashion event, fashion show, or you're going to like an event where you know that you're kind of going to more than likely be just walking in, walking out, you're sitting most of the time, wear these. But some people can deal with the pain a lot better than I can. So if you're someone who can, you know, I can walk in heels, I can run in heels, like I'm very good at being in heels, but not when I'm in excruciating pain. Like I have to take them off. If you're one of those people that can just walk around like excruciating pain in your feet with your heels on, these shoes are great for you. Like you have nothing to worry about. But if you're the average Joe who knows that you would rather be comfortable than cute, I probably would just wear these if you know that it's not going to be a lot of walking going on. That's probably why nobody was really talking about the comfort level, because it's like, I don't know what I feel. Like I feel like I may have to wear these out for a little while and then kind of come back and then tell y'all how I feel. But yeah, the shoe itself is so cute. It's so beautiful. I'm so glad to have it and be able to put this in my closet and go look at it. It's just, oh, I love it. Hey, if you guys are interested in these shoes, I will have them linked down below, so definitely check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I guess I'll see y'all next time. I have another haul coming this week, or nah, I don't know if I'm gonna have it this week. Shipping is so delayed because of the holidays, so I have another haul coming though this week or next week, so just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.